Welcome once again to Amazing Maths Pro channel. So we are still on the addition of fractions with unlike or different denominators. This time around we are looking at a different method altogether. This method is usually called butterfly method. And what do they mean by butterfly method? This is what we're going to do. So here we are not going to find for the multiples of the denominators to know the LCM or whatever. This is what we're going to do. So simply we cross multiply the expression here. This. We multiply it. So the leading diagonal, we multiply that one, A times D. And then we bring in our plus sign and multiply the other diagonal, that is a B and C. That one will give us B times C. And then after that, we divide it by the multiplication of both denominators, BD. Very straightforward. Very, very straightforward. So multiply the leading diagonal AD, bring in your plus sign, and then multiply the other diagonal BC. After that, divide all of them by the multiplication of the denominators, which here in this case BD. And that one will give you this particular expression down here. Now we're going to use this same method here to solve or simplify the expression on the right hand side without finding for the multiples to know the LCM or whatever. So this is what we're going to do. So like I said earlier, we multiply these diagonal here, 2 times 4. That one will give us 2 times 4, which will give us 8. Let me put this one in the bracket. And then we bring in our plus sign and multiply the other diagonal, 5 and 3. 5 and 3, which will give us 5 times 3. Okay, and then when we are done, we multiply the denominators 5 and 4. We multiply them to get 20. Just 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Then let's simplify and see what we are going to get. So you're going to have 8 here plus 15 out of 20. And 8 plus 15 will give us 23 out of 20. Since this expression here is improper fraction, we can decide to simplify further and rewrite it as one whole number. 3 out of 20. One whole number. 3 out of 20, which is going to be our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Amazing Maths Pro.